Alrighty, gonna get straight into it. One change. Got the Big Daddies on. And it's sticky as. Biggest one though, the wheelie bar. Everyone's been doing these shock mounted wheelie bars, so I thought I'll give it a go. Let's go see what it does, eh? Well, it didn't flip back up unfortunately, but it was a quick run. Okay, got the car back. No damage, thank God. But look at this, PB, we're making progress. 2790, 52 mile an hour. Now this is on the straight out of the box Maclan tune for a 4.5 turn, low traction setup. So you can see from the G's, sort of launched pretty soft, but we got a max of 1.84 G's. So let's give it another hit.
I believe
Let's give it another go, get a bit more heat in them. Looks like I need to put a bit more prep on these things. I'll be back. Alright, so these things like a lot of heat, so let's get them warm. Okay. Oh, let's set the GPS up, hey? See how fast we go if we get down the track. Overcorrected that. Stop, start.
I believe
Back to the drawing board, eh? So, just picked the car up and I was wondering, why aren't the wheels turning freely? Yeah, it's probably got something to do with it, eh? Yeah, that don't help. Still got to learn how to glue tyres, apparently. Oh well.